Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your general tarot reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, Gemini, this is a general collective energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. In this reading here, Gemini, I'm going to be looking at your general outlook, but I will not be including love reading. For love reading, you can just click on the description box down below. Okay, so let's start with your reading here, Gemini. I'm going to start with the energy for the month of August 2021 here. I've got joyous fun and I've got increase coming up here. This is a wonderful energy to begin with for you here, Gemini. The month of August will be full of fun. Happiness here is what I'm getting, and you're going to see a lot of increment when it comes into your energy level, when it comes into the happiness in your life overall here, Gemini. I feel like this is the time that all of your plans, all of your manifestation, especially on spending time for yourself, spending time for your family, like any plan that have been holding on for quite a while, like just going out and having fun here, this is the month that you're finally going to be able to do that, is what I'm getting here. And another thing here is that with this particular increased energy coming up here, you are going to be getting a lot of help and a lot of support here, not only from the divine energy here, Gemini, but from the people surrounding you here. This can be in any area of your life, starting up from your finances, your love situation, anything. You're finally going to be getting up a lot of help with people surrounding your life here, is what I'm getting. Now the major lesson or the major energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, is the playing it safe energy and the teacher energy that I've got coming up here. So there is a huge lessons that you need to learn for this particular month here, Gemini. And what is that lesson here is that it's okay for you to step outside of your comfort zone. It's okay for you here to be putting yourself out there and explore all of this new energy within yourself here, is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. So do not hold yourself, I would say here, and it's time for you to just open up yourself and express yourself, just be open, is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. And I feel like with this teacher energy here, some of you, not all of you here, Gemini, will be introduced to some new supportive connection in your life here that will help you to mature up with your journey. And some of you here, you will be introducing to people that you need to help them here. So there's going to be a teaching and learning lessons, is what I'm getting coming up for you here as well, Gemini. Now looking into the tarot reading here, I've got the Two of Swords energy coming up here, and then I've also got the Judgment energy coming up here as well. So with this Two of Swords energy here, I feel like this is the energy that you've been carrying from the past months into the month of August 2021. With the Two of Swords energy that I'm getting coming up for you here is that there are some decision or some choices that you need to be making within yourself here, Gemini. And this Two of Swords energy here, I'm getting a very strong of confusion energy coming up here. I've also got the Eight of Swords energy coming up for you here as well. Feeling trapped, a lot of anxiety energy coming up, and it's quite interesting with this two particular picture. As you can see here, Gemini, there is a blindfold coming up here. So I feel like this is the reason why you could not see things clearly, or you could not make a decision quickly here, Gemini, because there is still blindfold surrounding your eyes, surrounding yourself here. There are so many things that either being hidden towards you at this point of time, or you chose to not see things clearly, I would say here. So one thing that I'm going to suggest for you here, Gemini, for the month of August here, is that take the blindfold off, try to analyze every single situation, every single things within your situation here. It's the time for you here to reassessing everything in your life, even if it's just a smallest detail here. I feel like there might be something that you're missing, something that is going to be helpful for you here to be moving forward in your general life, is what I'm getting coming up here. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, with this Judgment energy and the Fool energy coming up here, this is going to be that you're going to see a lot of divine timing energy starting to be working out in your favor. I'm also getting a very, very strong divine intervention energy coming up here as well for you. And with this full energy that I've got coming up here, it's safe for you here to take up the leap of faith is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. So like I said before, do not withhold yourself too much. It's time for you here to just like go ahead and just approach all of these new opportunities and all of these new things in your journey here, Gemini. And another thing here is that I've also got the Nine of Swords energy coming up here. Like I said before, anxiety, feeling stuck, feeling trapped, a lot of stress, frustration within yourself here. And it's like, I feel like you are putting yourself in this particular situation, and honestly here you are not actually feeling stuck, you're actually not feeling trapped, but only in your mind. So this is why you need to open up your mind here is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. With this Tower movement energy here, please don't freak out, even though like Tower movement may seems to be like a huge disaster energy, but it's not this way for you. I feel like this is like a huge wake-up call for you here, Gemini, here to wake up and see all of this situation in your life for what it is. It's time for you here to take up the blindfold is what I'm getting for you here, Gemini. And this is the wake-up call is about here. Like there are so many things that have been missing. There are so many things, either you are not seeing things clearly or things might have been hidden from you here, and everything is just going to become clear for you here, Gemini. And once this Tower movement starting to happen in your life, I feel like some of you here, Gemini, the Tower movement has also already started to happen. I've also got the Sun energy coming up here. Once everything this happen, you're going to see a lot of new things starting to come towards you here, Gemini. I've also got the Ace of Wands energy coming up here as well. So double aces I've got coming up for you here. And with this Sun energy, this is talking about 100% success that is definitely going to come to you in the month of August 2021. But before this success to come towards you here, and again with this Page of Swords energy that I've got here, you need to break the cycle. So it's time for you here, Gemini, to take the blindfold off and to break the cycle with all of this going back and forth energy surrounding yourself here in the month of August. The moment that you do that, you're going to see a lot of new beginnings. You're going to see a lot of new beginnings, like a lot of increment in your life. Like everything is just going to start falling into places. It's like a domino effect. Everything is just going to start falling into places is what I'm getting here. Financially speaking here, Gemini, I've got the Six of Pentacles energy coming up here. Even though I'm not getting much significant progress when it comes into your finances, but the Six of Pentacles energy that I've got coming up here, this is talking about balance, referring to a huge balance energy coming up here. Even though there is not going to be much thing happening to you in the month of August 2021, but balance is definitely going to be there in your life, be it in your finances, be it in your general life here. But the moment that you are ready to break all of this cycle, all of this negative and toxic cycle in your life here, then you're going to see changes coming up in your life here, Gemini. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates to you, Gemini. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.